Aren't you going to clap that you landed safely? Thank you. On behalf of your Newark, New Jersey-based flight crew, welcome to Newark, New Jersey, paradise of the Northeast. For the local time, it's 7:11. And the temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Winter's upon us. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes for your continued safety and comfort. Please remain comfortably seated, no matter how anxious you want to exit the metal tube, until the aircraft comes to a complete final stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be the only, absolute only indication that it is safe for you to get up and collect all personal belongings that you've brought on board. You're going to need to open those overhead bins slowly because the contents have definitely shifted during the flight and landing. And because many of you will be anxious to get out really fast, you're going to leave something behind. So check one last time. Those seat cushions and seat back pockets for headphones, eyeglasses, passports, wallets, cell phones, electronic pads, cell phone chargers, and especially driver's licenses, because you can't rent a car without one. This crew's been up and at it since 4:30 this morning. We're going home and we're not coming back. Yes, we almost timed out, but we didn't tell you that. And with that being said, we do thank you very much for your utmost patience. We know it is frustrating, although Mother Nature is who she is. When she says no, it's no. But we thank you for hanging in there, and it's been our pleasure to get you up here safely to Newark. We certainly do hope that you spend a great time here in paradise, or wherever your travels may take you. For those of you traveling to Delhi, you're fine. For those of you catching your international flights out of Terminal B, you're fine. We're coming into B. And Edinburgh, Scotland, you're fine. Anybody else?